Today we learn about cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing means delivering computer services like server, storage, database and software all over the internet. Instead of storing everything on your own computer, you use remote server on the internet. Next, how cloud computing works. Your device sends data to a remote cloud server. That server stores, manages and processes the data. Then again sends it back to you. That's why you can open your files or apps anywhere, anytime, using any devices. Now, types of cloud computing. One is in infrastructure as a services. Second one is platform as a services, and the third one is software as a services. Now, popular example is Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, and apps like iCloud, Google Drive, and Dropbox that we are using daily. Benefits of cloud computing. Cloud computing offers numerous advantages, just like cost efficiency, pay as you go model, reduce upfront cost for hardware and maintenance, scalability, business can scale resources instantly to meet demand, avoiding over provisioning, accessibility, access services from anywhere with an internet connections, enabling remote work. Flexibility supports a wide range of applications from simple storage to complex AI workloads. Security and updates implement robust security measures and handle software updates. And the last one is disaster recovery. Data is backup across multiple locations, ensuring reliability. These benefits make cloud computing essentials for business and individual alike.